you guys have got to start wearing pocket squares. This is a big deal. As society, as work culture gets more and more casual, we're seeing suits and sport coats like I've got today without ties. We've got suits and sport coats with polos. If that's how you feel comfortable and that's how you want to express yourself, that's okay. We're seeing even suits and sport coats with t-shirts and sneakers. And as we get into a world where the lines between formal and casual are blurring, now I'm not a big rules guy, but what I can't abide and what I feel is a missed opportunity every time I see someone do this, if you're wearing a jacket, if you're wearing a sport coat or a suit jacket, you gotta get the pocket square in there. A lot of jackets are going to come with the pockets sewn up. They do that to keep it safe during transportation. I have fake pocket. No, you don't. You just got to get somebody who knows what they're doing to pop the pocket open and you can get your square in there. I will say this as clearly and emphatically as I can. No jacketed outfit is complete absent a pocket square. If I wear the tie, gonna wear the pocket square. If I don't wear the tie, I definitely gotta wear the pocket square in there. You have to have your pop of color. It is about your self-expression. You need to use every tool that you have in your medium of self-expression. None of my customers that I have ever outfitted who took my advice and wore the pocket square to the party or the interview, almost all of them came back to me. Almost all of them told me they received compliments based on their attention to detail and their color choices. And there are so many great things you can do with these. If you're going for something more classic, you can have your white shirt, white square. Any color suit and tie will work. If you want to do something more fun, like what I've got today, a colorful square will really add to your outfit. Nobody has ever come back to me and said, oh, the square was too much, I didn't get the job. They're either not going to say anything about it at all, or they will compliment you on your attention to detail. You will be memorable in a good way. When someone says to me, oh, well, I'm just not a pocket square guy, it is very similar to me to if I were to sell them a car, for them to tell me something like, oh, well, I'm not a windshield wiper guy. It is a seemingly very small detail that adds a lot. I've had a reputation as the pocket square advocate for a reason. I want them all to have loving homes. A square in every pocket. I love them a lot, and there is so many cool things that you can do with them, all sorts of different colors, patterns. In fact, you can even do things like taking a whole piece of fine art and putting it on a pocket square and then using different colors or different parts of that piece of art and displaying it based on what your outfit is doing. There is so much you can do, and you owe it to yourself to use every tool that you have in your medium of self-expression. Wear a pocket square.